Today is too windy to ride our bike. Look at it. Wind. Okay, this is a very quick tip. It's a winter tip. My clothes are fabulous. Everything is perfect. Coat, pants, shoes, but my gloves doesn't work good. When I'm in the bicycle, when I'm riding the Brompton, there's no problem at all because with the hack, in the ziplock hack, oh, it works perfect. But today it's snowing, windy, so I didn't go for a ride. I wear my regular gloves, well, 2 gloves, one on top of the other, but my hands are freezing. So the tip is, as soon as you get home, open the hot water and warm it up. Yes, it's freezing. Oh, this is too hot. I know, it's a small tip, but it works and it helps you be ready for next trip. Yeah, very small one. Hope you like it. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Now I can feel them again. So good. I was carrying a bag, you know. I had to eat lunch. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.